It's the OBS void. All right, today I'm getting back into some Unreal. I have my TXT here. Last time we had a gameplay ability set for being woozy. Good. Today I'm going to import an animation from mixamo. I add it to, and the answer is animation montage. I should be able to add this animation montage to the woozy ability. What will happen after that? I don't know. This is all new to me. Unlike all the stuff up until now, which I apparently had done like 6 years ago when I looked at my old repos. So let's start up here. Import an animation from mixamo. So mixamo is this website. It has animations, it has models, it has this cute little guy. It's also owned by this evil corporation called Adobe. I have to enable this probably, but I'm on LibreWolf, so it's not gonna save it. Requires WebGL to be enabled on your browser. Oh god. Give me a second. Let me see if I can do it from back here. Straight. All right. Give me a second. I'm gonna turn on WebGL. I do usually have it set off because I don't use it, but I'm gonna have to go and turn it back on. All right. Let's see at this. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna log in. Gonna continue with my Google. Remember my Google. Don't remember my Google. And we're gonna we go back into the thing. I'm gonna make secrets in progress. This guy, you can wait in there while I put in my secrets. So I'm gonna hook this into, oh no, I'll try another way. Hook this into my Google because they already have all my shit anyways. Oh my god. And then my phone's in another room. Be right back. Okay. I had to do a thing on my phone for that to work. Let's go back to desktop. So here, now we're finally into mixamo. So you can see there's like a 3D model here. There's like animations. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go start with characters. Go Xbot. Use this character. And then we have this character. It's like a bit, mannequin. And then if you go into animations, we can do find animations. All it does is bring you here. And we're going to type in drunk. Drunk? Drunk. Drunk is funnier. I could go like stunned or woozy, but really drunk is what we want. So let's see. Let's grab our basic drunk idol. That looks good. Let's see. Do we like that? We like that. Arm space. I think this just makes them raise their arm, right? Yeah. I kind of like the idea that arms are a little bit too up high, and I'm so close to that number. I might as well. There we go. There we go. Can't quite stay up and steady. That's good. All right. And what you can do is you just download it. And so what we're going to do, we're going to download. I believe we do it with skin now. It used to be without skin, but that's the hard way. So a new Unreal is supposed to have an easy way. If it's not there, then I'm just gonna actually just give up because I don't want to do the other way. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go. Actually, we're gonna just save it to our downloads, and then we'll drag it over later through Unreal Engine and then Unreal Editor, and then I'll properly import them. And should I bother getting a drunk walk? Yeah, let's get a drunk walk. Drunk walk. Oh my God. And then we thought it was funny to have the arms out a little bit more. I'll download that too. I don't know if we'll need that one, but it looks fun, doesn't it? All right. So we just downloaded some stuff. So in here. Oh, you jerk. I'm working on something. Okay, so in here. I'm gonna go mixamo. Open that. I'm gonna do our favorite thing, which is to not leave that folder and open a new one. I'm gonna need to get back there at some point. There's our FBXs. I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna drop them into here. And that should start doing some imports. I'm just trying to see if there's anything that I need to do. I think we keep this all like we don't touch this, just import. Now, apparently it will always tell you there's issues, and then you kind of ignore them. I'll look at them. Yeah, that's nothing that we give a shit about. And then we're gonna just save these just in case. Save everything. Great. All right, so now we've got a skeletal mesh. We have some skeletons. And we have some animations. Drunk walk. And drunk idle variation anim. So let's see. Opening windows. Re-import. Open external editor, patch name, edit. cook. We can search and re-import. I want to re-import. We already have it. Import new source. No, create. I'm just blind. Retarget animations. So what we're going to do is we're going to retarget. So we're going to have it go from this animation on this skeleton to a different skeleton, namely the one we're using in the level. There we go. I'll generate retargeter. We don't need, those are the other ones that exist, so we're going to take that. And we are going to export these animations. And do I? Can I? Yeah, let's do this. Do some animations in here. I'll dump it in here. So this is kind of like our source folder, and this is going to be our export folder. And smash export. There are no existing files. Who cares? And then there we go. So now we have this animation. I double click on it. Hey, look, it's our the model that we're actually using, but the animation from Mixamo. I'm so glad that, but before, like, so this is 5.5 and 5.4, they added that screen. Before you had to like edit everything in Blender, the skeletons in Blender, and like do a whole bunch of work. Now it just look, it works. Hurrah. So that's good. Yeah. So that's where we are with that. We're gonna save all again. So next thing I want to do open animation sequence. No. Save, delete, edit, rename, batch rename, re-import. No. Create animation montage. We're gonna call this I'm gonna call it Woozy because that's what we were using it for. If we double click on this one, we see the montage mode, or it looks a lot like the other one, but this is something that we can use another way. All right, so we've got this, we've got those. I'm looking for a button. Where's the button? So we've got, there it is. Loop. Rate scale. What do you guys think? A little bit less. Less fast. Like that, maybe. Maybe a little bit more like, oops, half what we had before. Oh, that's a little bit too slow. 0 point. No, I think that's perfect. And I'll save this. So now we have a woozy montage. Here's our woos. So this is from last time. Zoom back in. So we're gonna wait to add the tag. We do some debugging. And then we ask it to get drunk and wait for the tag to remove. So what we're gonna do, we're going to take this out. Woo! Oh, that's all right. Take this out. And we're going to add play montage and wait. So you saw there was one that's like montage. But we're going to do play montage and wait. The reason is that this is apparently replicated while the other one isn't. So if we replicate this, then we've got a nice little hooray. Play montage and wait. No, wait. And get sober. So I think what's going to happen is this is going to go away. And then start time settings, allow interrupt after blend out. Stop when ability ends. Where did ability end? Normally it's always stop in a minute. Okay. Start section, no. Rate. Slower. We already have it set to 50. Task instance name. This goes off to nowhere, just like that guy over there. And then on completed. So it's gonna just, it's set to loop. So I don't know how this is gonna look. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go like this. And we'll see what happens. Complaints? None. So right now we are not doing the get drunk. We're just using our animation. I wonder if I am smart enough to remember the controls for this. I'll bet I'm not. I'll bet this will crash first. No. All right. It seems to be going all right. Let's control this one here. Yeah, it's all choppy compared. I don't know why. Sometimes it's choppy, sometimes it's not. We had a button to go drunk. We didn't. It goes drunk on its own. All right, and now it's done. So you saw that it got drunk and then it's done. We want, let's see. Oh, one thing I haven't looked is does it just stop the montage? So you've got the end ability, right? I'm going to put down here. Woozy ended. Woozy ended at the montage end. So that should pop up. If it ends the ability. Because it could end the montage, but not the ability. So they're gonna just stand there. So I can walk a little bit. Woozy ended after montage end. Okay. So when that animation completes, it ends the ability. But I want it to loop. How can I get it to loop? Let's ask the internet. Oh, this window is still open. Here we go. Push this button. I'll put that in here. This just means that I don't have to, like, it doesn't generate these again. I can't keep, I'm not going to do this much again. So let's just do this. Let's check. I'm just going to hop on here and oh, we're going to look up, interesting. All right. Let's see if that works. Of course, it brings this because it's a modal. Who makes things modal? Who makes things modal anymore? That's my question. The woozy montage. Um, all right, so I've got that looping. Will this now, what happens? Does this complete then? Does it never complete? All right, so is It's just sliding around with that. And I have no blend, but it is stuck like that until I turn it off. Okay, that's good. So I need to stop when the ability ends. All right. Which means that we're going to wait for tag, no, wait. Just wait tag. Nope, tag. Wait tag remove. There we go. So we're going to wait for the tag to remove. The tag is going to be Woozy. Oops, Woozy. Woozy, thank you. And when it's removed, that's when we end the ability. Delete that guy. We'll just move it. Oops. Break this pin. Drag these over to here. Pop that on there. And then stop when ability ends. So that's set to true. So if I do that, and then go, wait, I have to have a way to remove that, don't I? Let's make a quick one for that. Gameplay effect. Woozy. Adds Woozy while it's active. Woozy. Granted to actor. Grant tags to actor. Require tags to apply. It can't already be Woozy. All right. And then just to double check on my character, I think I have it just set up as a debug button. Apply gameplay effect to self, which is gameplay effect Woozy. How long does a Woozy last for? 10 seconds. So it should stop it. All right, let's try that out. We're gonna turn on the thing. I'm gonna push the button, and that should add Woozy. Nope. No effect. I actually undid the effect. Oh, haha. I put it on the wrong pin. I put it on the wrong pin because I'm a dum-dum. Okay, so there we got. We add the tag. The lose happens. Hey! Hey! That's exactly what I was looking for. Perfect. So that ends the ability. That ends when that's over. Does it do it the second time? That's one problem that we were having, that even though it says it's ended, it doesn't seem to be ending because you can't do it a second time. 1,000, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10. Back to normal. Had some woos again. Cannot get woos the second time. All right, but that is very much going towards what we were trying to do. It will keep listening as long as trigger only once equals false. And that looks like false to me. Maybe internet knows what's going on. Excuse me. Oh. Oh, thank you. I guess it was just telling me what to actually type since I put to me. Oh. Going to do that. Oh, I got owned by again. Go compile. Oh, I think we broke it. I can wait. I'm going over here. Oh, you think? Oh, wait. I knew that was going to crash. All right, reopen. is that check mark on the end ability? So is it like immediately? No. Doing anything? I can never tell. Um, maybe the end is automatically ending because it keeps listening for it to be removed. And it's like, no, no, that doesn't work. That doesn't make sense. It's already gone. We already removed it. But we should wait and look. I'll just double check. Wait, gameplay tag remove. That might be it. All right. Once this thing loads back up, we can take a look. So the other thing is that we're just doing that animation. So is there while we're waiting for that, I'm gonna do some um blending locomotion. This would be interesting because I'm gonna blend it with okay. All right, wait. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I know I like all I did was open a whatchamacallit, teaser first shot of a YouTube, but I remember doing this for another project. So once this is loaded, I think I can actually do what I want. Was to just blend these two together. And yeah, I don't know where the source is. Source. I have to look at that one. Actually, let's scrub through and see if we can see it. What's he using for the source down there? Oh, why does it have to be so far away? All right, zoom in more. No, I know the result. I want to see what your I want to see what your blueprint looks like. Pause. Can I zoom in on a YouTube? Can I zoom in on a YouTube? Settings, zoom in. Oh, I know how to zoom in on YouTube. Stand up, walk over to the screen, and squint. Use cache. Oh, it's just the same. All right. It's the same words twice. I just realized I haven't gotten if anybody. I haven't even opened the chat. I assume there's nobody there, so I haven't bothered to do it. But like, yeah, I should probably like look, just in case, you know. Just in case, you know. There we go. We'll pop this out. feel sometimes this is more about that's fine. All right. Unreal Editor is back open. All right. So we've got our guest character. We have our animations. The guest character is using what for its animations? Animation blueprint. Because that's going to be what we're going to edit. Not right now. Or we'll copy it and then we'll edit it. APB Quinn. That's the one that comes with this. So we'll close this or shrink it. Yeah, and it's in collection. For some reason, I felt like they were less than that. All right. Control rig, right? Content control rig. Why did it show it so weird? I'm gonna stop like focusing on it. Okay, so we've got our blend space animation sequences. Oops. Idle, blend space, idle, run and walk. Meshes, control. Feel like I'm missing something. Meshes, rigs. It's not in rigs, is it? No, no. Oh, wait. I accidentally, no. I opened the control rig instead of the blueprint. I want that blueprint down there. That's where I'm headed. No, I'm not doing a blue. No, 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 no. We're not doing any of that. So that's not what's wait. Where's my anim class is APB Quinn. And then let's search for, let's just do it this way. Oh, ABP. Seriously, guys? Seriously? How could I be using an animation class that doesn't have an animation that doesn't like show up? Really? How does that even work? Oh, hey, I forgot that had a button. Why isn't it? I give up. All right. We're going to duplicate. animation blueprint. And then, oi, thank you. Gonna grab this and we're gonna dump it into our section. We're also gonna rename this because I got it wrong. Okay, and we're going to go here. Oh. Well then, screw you. Guess that's just an example of how to do that. All right. This will be our guest. I'd grab that and move it to our space. All right. There's the event graph. That's not what I want. I want the anim graph. Good. All right. So we've got main states, locomotion, main states, state machine, default slot, control rig, output pose. Okay, so do we have, no. All right, so what we're gonna do is gonna take this, stretch it out. Actually, no, wait, control rig? No, we're gonna stretch it out over here. Oh no. There's too many things that say blend in it. Is there just one that says blend? All I want is blend. Would it blend? I don't want to blend space. I've got like too many of those. No fair. All right. Let's head back to here. He's got just a blend. That's what I thought you need. Blend A and B. Why can't I find blend A and B? Going up didn't help. Let's see if we going down will help. Blend poses. blend space player, get start position, get blend space, convert to blend space, blend by dead blending, two-way blend two poses together. Bone. This is a frustrating interface right now. I'm just gonna go like that. Nope. That's not it. I think this guy's smart enough to like show me right clicking and adding blend. Or is he just gonna like pretend it was always there? Guys, save now. I do remember saying last week I was going to turn off autosave. Did I do it? No. I think I just got to do a blend. I think blend pose is actually what we want, but I don't know which one it is. So I'm going to just go find the first one. See, you look up blend poses and it picks this one. I don't. Sometimes it's just kind of like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are there so many? Oh, and that's worse because I don't have. Actually, let's do it this way. That's a good idea, Dell. Let's go like this, and we'll bring this down, and then we'll add a. And we'll take it. What's wrong? No, there's only one there. That's obviously wrong because it only has one in. I need two ins. I need one that blends two poses together. Niagara? No. Physical E-quartz rig space type? No. All right, what comes out of here? Animation pose. And exactly what it is. Burn units, widget space, animation events. Nope. Let's go searching. Because that's how I remember doing it. But obviously, 10 months ago is too late. Let's try this, guys. Like, I mean, what's the worst that can happen? Something hilarious. Oh, it like zooms. It zooms. So it like isn't terrible. It does the zoom. Next month this will like load. Okay. We add our woozy. Nope. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. It also isn't rewoozing, but I was gonna look at that later. Blend weight 0, 1. Oh, hey. It's my fault. I did it. I'm the one who sucks. Click on the small one. Oh, small one. The small one is not replicate. Hold on. Let's just get rid of that for now. We don't need two. We only need one because we're not doing anything that involves more than one right now. And then we'll say play standalone for now. Just for now, because we're just we'll worry about that replicating stuff later. Okay, we're gonna get the woos and still just sliding around. No good. All right. Do I need this? State machine, default slot, control rig, locomotion. So default slot should be spitting out. Oh, wait. I think this has to go before the control rig. I'll double check it. Let's see what happens if I put it forward there. Before the control rig. I think because this says it doesn't use blueprints data, so it may be trying to do something different than the rest of this and just kind of overriding. But because it's just that, it doesn't. I don't know. Let's take a look. No, just sliding them around. Okay, run wait. I go over here and then get spit out here. It's probably this thing's doing some stuff that I don't. No, there's nothing in here. Nothing in here that would affect what we're doing. Well, we tried that one. I moved something. It needs me to auto-save it. Oh my god. Oh my god, Unreal Editor. Okay. try it with that. I'll put the control rig back over here. I'm not comfortable with that being like not the one. Ah. Float though. How does that work? Not exactly what I need. Hmm. Dynamic technical blend poses with this node unit subtract out of the pose. Standard blend mode is a combination of two input poses and an alpha pin. All right. Does that exist? Do I have? Can I do that? If I content, okay, context sensitive is off, right? Can I just put in blend and get basic blend without any other blend? Blend, blend, Get blend. Byte to blend. Make blend. Blend poses. We already tried all these. They didn't really do what I wanted, right? Make two-way blend. Blend two pages together. That seems straightforward. Let's try it. And for all we know, it won't work. Watch this be the one I was looking for. Probably not, but you know, you gotta try, right? Actually, no, wait. I know what's going on. I know what's going on. This guy, so you click on this guy, right? You look inside, it comes in here, and then it goes locomotion. Locomotion is above, right? That's the other thing. And so it has this whole thing for like jumping and falling and stuff. But essentially, that's that. Then it comes into here, and then it's like, no, default slot. I'm like, that's not what I want. I want to be weird. I want to do both. That's what. So, note. Sure. All right. Compile, save, go. Stand, walk, drunk, slide. All right. That didn't work either. Hmm. No, it still doesn't work because by here, our drunk is going into the default slot, right? Maybe that's our problem. We need to go into a different slot and blend it in. One of these two will do it. Not that one. It's animation montage. That has a slot. Oh, what's this? Status effect. Bonus. Correct letters. Additive status effect. And we'll set the slot here. Additive status effect. I'll save that. And I'll hop back over here. We do all this. Uh, hmm. I can get this the default slot, but I can't get any other one. Only get the default slot. Why don't I delete these? Compile, save. Um, no. Maybe not. I swear I had done this before on something else, but maybe not. That's why it's not working. Let's see. Oops. No, I need to do this. Get the locomotion. Default slot overrides the locomotion. Yeah, I think that's what I want. Or whatever the main state is. But I don't want it to. I want it to like low into here. And then what's this one? Locomotion? I think this does this also have it? No. Okay. So we'll walk. We can get woozy. No, and we still slide around. Hmm. Control rig isn't like mentioned in the event graph. Um, that's interesting. Should I be putting that up top as like a dumb thing to do? No, because I don't care. Why would I do that? What's the point of a blend that doesn't blend? You know what I mean? Not great. All right. I'm gonna have to look into this further because you'd think you just can blend that, but it still comes out with just the main default slot. So like this goes, okay, I'm gonna do this. Then if you have the default slot animation, it overrides this guy. Ooh, could this be additive? Is that an option? I'm just missing it. Additive settings. Preview base for additive blend space. Oh, okay. So there is a blend space. No, we've already, that's where we are. I don't know if we need to do one of these. Uh, 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 I wouldn't. No, I'm just gonna close this and it'll be like magically not there. Unimpressed. Only thing more unimpressed is me not using that. And that's the problem. All right. I can admit my faults. I can admit my faults. Let's see if that does what I want it to then. So I haven't done anything, right? It's just slidey right now, right? I want it to be slidey. I want it to blend into being slidey. So aha! Using the right animation blueprint will probably help. Yay! And then we go back to normal running around. And then my only problem is I can't reactivate being woozy, but that's good. So we did it. There we go. We made a drunk walking guy. That's great. Stop. I'm trying to show a thing. Okay. So that's good. So our only problem now is we can't get this to keep being only trigger once. Yes. That was what I thought might be the problem. So let's try that. So here we go. We walk. Hit the woos button. Ooh, not looking so great. Still going, still going, still going. Back to normal. Push the button again. Nope. All right. So one thing I haven't done. No, I have a thing. Added. Grant Woozy. Guest Woozy. We end the ability when it's removed. All right. Let's do, wait. We're going to put this, where are we going to put this? Variable. I don't think this will actually get me anything useful because I don't think it's actually Um, start this with 0, ends, and then we will set, nope, set, add. Oh, what's going on? Drunk count, but not drunk count. You have to do it backwards. Add. Is there an increment maybe? Ink. Yeah, that's what we want. Um, this is by ref. That's the result. I was gonna say it's taking a while, but apparently you didn't push the button. All right. So, I'll push the button. I get Uzi. Get my 1. Okay. Still getting Woozy. I didn't push the Woozy button. Oh, it's probably from the, yeah. So it's not going back in again. Because otherwise it would be like, yeah, here it is, pop. So, I'm gonna have to research this and see if it like, keep listening as long as trigger only once it goes false. Maybe that's like, I don't know. Maybe we need to just make it, oh, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna have to come back to this part, but we did what we wanted to do. If we look at our amazing list of things we wanted to do, we did import the animation from mixamo. We did add an animation to the animation montage. We did add the animation montage to the Woozy ability. So, oh my God, stupid autosave. So, I love how it wants me to autosave 0 items. Great job, Unreal Editor. We did succeed. Maybe probably for future, we'd want to do something where we have locomotion, default slot. I wonder what a blend of standing and the guy being all like kerfluffed would look like. Let's just do a quick one, right? Just a quick one. Guest woozy. Unreal, come on. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the wrong. Delete that. I need to, if it's in here, I need to retarget it first. So drunk walk, and retarget. To Quinn. Small note, the close that quick. I've seen a lot of activity out that window. Drunk walk, export in here. Yeah, export. Right click, make a just save it, and we'll replace the kind of just standing there woozy with this one, and we'll see if that's fun or not. Can I add? How do I add? No, I want to add something into this. How do I add something into this? Problem with doing that through right click. Oh, wait. I'll bet it's in here. Yeah, it's in here. All right, so drunk walk. Should just be able to dump it here, right? And we'll delete that one. Montage, and then that's already looping. Okay. And then go. You're just standing there and you get drunk. Ah, no, it looks like you're walking. All right, it's better to just stand there and be drunk. I would love to have somehow a way to make that animation bigger. If that makes any sense. So that's like when it blends in, it really blends in. Though having the arms white out like that was a good choice, because you really look like you're not quite all there. All right, I think that's good. That's good, right? We did achieve our goals, kind of. We still have to figure out what's going on with the other thing, but we've had that problem for 3 weeks now. We fixed part of it. Pretty sure we fixed part of it. Where's my window for this? But we do have a guy who runs normal and at a touch of a button walks wacky because they're not quite all there. All right, I think that's good for tonight. We achieved all our goals. So I'm going to call it before I somehow screw up my project. Save all, commit to repo, and just say success. And we'll figure out why. So at least we know now that it's not the animation montage or anything that's happening that's causing this. It's probably this node here isn't working the way we want it to. And we'll look at that next week, I think. All right. Ta-ta for now.